Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your Wix website URL. This is useful if you want to update your site address to something more professional or easier to remember. Let's get started. For example, this is your current website. You can view all your websites here, or just one website. If you want to view your website, simply go to All Websites and it will appear here. This way, you can see all your websites. If you want to change the website URL, all we have to do is click the three dots for site actions. Then, just click Rename Site. Here, we can see the site URL. We can change it by editing this name. Once we are done, just click Save. This will apply the changes to our website and publish the new website URL. That's how we change the website URL.